Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To add a new contact to the Contacts folder in Outlook, click the People icon in the navigation bar to open the Contacts folder. Then click the New Contact button in the New Button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, double-click the blank space inside the Contacts list in the Inbox pane in the center of the screen. In the contact window that then opens, you enter all the contacts information you wish to record into the available fields. To show basic contact information fields like a contact's name and address, click the General button in the Show Button group on the Contact tab of the ribbon. To show additional contact details in this window instead, click the Details button in the Show Button group. To list certificates you can use to send encrypted email to this contact, click the Certificates button. To instead select from groupings of commonly used contact information fields, click the All Fields button. Then select a type of field information to enter from the Select From dropdown. All the contact fields for that field type then appear. Then enter new information or edit the existing information in these fields on this screen. To create custom contact fields in Outlook, click the New button at the bottom of the All Fields view to open the New Column dialog box. Then enter a name for the custom field into the name field, and then select its type and format from the two adjacent labeled drop-downs. Then click the OK button to finish creating the new field into which you can then record contact information. To save the contact, after entering all the information to keep for your contact into the fields in the Contact window, click the Save and Close button in the Actions button group on the Contacts tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, to save the entry and then create another new blank contact, click the Save and New button in this same button group. This is useful when creating multiple contacts in a single data entry session.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.